Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a platformer in Scratch Part 2. But before I start, I just want to say thank you for 20 subscribers. So thank you, and I really appreciate it. But without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to upload some spikes. I have some spikes right here. I've actually hidden it for the meanwhile because we're not gonna need it right now. But we'll need it later in the video. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to go here, events, and then we're going to drag out this block, the when green flag click, and I'm just going to do this. Okay, so and I'm going to zoom it in. Okay, so when green flag click, we're just going to do switch costume to costume 1. And then we're going to go here. I'm just going to, okay. And now what we're going to do is this is touching this edge, it goes to the next level, right? So we're going to do if y equals if the y equals 261, I think. Yeah, if the y equals 261, then go to the next level. So we're actually going to change that a lot. So we're just going to go here and drag it. Okay. And then we're going to go into motion, and then we're going to do point, we actually have to get an if. So we're going to do if y equals, we're going to go here, if x equals 261. So we'll go here, and then you want to do Control C, Control V, and then you'll get that. So I'm just going to broadcast a message, and I'm just going to make a message. So I'll actually change it, and this will be called we'll do touching right edge, and we'll do OK. So when I receive touching right edge, so what happened when we're doing touching right edge? It's going to do the next costume. So we're going to do this, and if it's touching right edge, there's a big problem with this. You can see that it's just going through the next level, and it's like it didn't even, and it's so easy. It didn't even have to do really anything. If you just stay there, and you could get to the next level you could get to the last level in no time, and everybody would have have the fastest time for getting this. So then what we're gonna do, it's a pretty easy fix. So we'll just go here, and then I'll just delete this. So we're going to go here, and then I'm just going to copy this block, and then I'll scroll down, and then you want to do Control V, and then you just want to put it in right here. And I can see if I start it, if I touch the right edge, it takes me straight to the starting position, and then there's no glitching or whatever. So now I can see it's a very simple platformer. It works fine. It has everything. So, but now let's start on these spikes. So remember how I said we didn't need them? So you can't really see them while we're not hovering over it. That's because it has the same color as this. So we're gonna go and into the spikes. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to go to platform. So we're going to zoom out. So we're going to do when green flag click. Actually, we don't need this. So we're going to do when green flag click, switch costume to 1. So we're going to do if costume. So we're going to go into control and do if costume is, so we'll put this in a forever loop. So if costume is equal to this, then hide. If costume is equal to this, show and go here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do if costume equals, if costume equals 1, then it should hide, right? So we're going to go into looks and do, we're going to drag this out, and then we're going to go into operators and then do equal. So if costume number equals 1, then we're going to broadcast a message called costume 1. So we're going to do this, broadcast costume 1. Oops, wait. Okay, so I'll just do okay. Whoops. So this is actually has a problem. So I'll just make a new one called costume 1, and then I'll do okay. Then we'll do when I receive costume 1, looks, hide, and then we'll go here. We'll duplicate this. We'll do 2, and then we'll make another one called costume 2. We'll do okay. When I receive costume 2, show. So duplicate this, do show, and then it should actually, so I'm going to go here and actually get to the next level. So I'm actually here. So as you can see, it's not there. So if I go here, it should, so we're going to go here, if costume number equals 2, broadcast costume 2, show. So the reason, okay, so yeah. So now we'll go into motion, I'll drag it right about here. And then what I'll do is this. So I'll do this, and I'll drag this out and do Control V. And then I'll do this, do Control C, and then do Control V. Okay, so now as you can see, if I start this program, you can see that it's not there. Receive costume 2, it goes to that position and it shows. So now I can see if we touch these spikes, nothing actually really happens. We're just like floating and nothing happens. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go into player and do, this is actually a bit too zoomed in. So I'm going to, okay. So we're going to duplicate this, and so we're going to just do this. Okay, so we're going to, so if touching, so we're going to go here and do if touching platform, spikes, then what should happen? So it should go to the starting position. So what is the starting position? So I'll do Control V again. Yeah, and then I have this. Okay, so it'll go there. So now let's give this a try. So it's not there. It's there now. We go here, and now you can see that it's working perfectly fine. So let's say I'm just going to duplicate this. I'm just going to duplicate this. So if you wanted, you could even add more stuff to this if you wanted to. But since this is a tutorial, I'm just going to keep it short. And I hope you guys put this in your project, and I hope you guys learned something from it. And but I'm just going to end this video right now, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.